closing down your eyes, and I invite you to sit in a comfortable upright position. Just gently have your feet flat on the floor, your hands in your lap, just allowing the eyes to be really gently closed. Taking a couple of really gentle breaths in, letting the breath come in and out. Just noticing the sound and feel of your own breath as you breathe in, breathe out. Breathing in, breathing out. Feel your body softening into your chair or your bed. Just allow yourself to become still and heavy. Now I'd like you to imagine that you're standing by the bank of a gently flowing stream, watching the water flow. Perhaps it's a real place that you've been, or it could be somewhere that you're imagining. And it doesn't matter how vividly you can picture that gently flowing stream, just setting the intention to imagine the stream flowing past, the water flowing. Imagine feeling the ground beneath you, the sounds of the water flowing past, and the way the stream looks as you watch it. Maybe you notice the reflection of the sky and the clouds in the water. And imagine that there are leaves from trees of all different shapes and sizes and colours floating past on the stream. And you're just watching these float on the stream. Just keep watching the stream. And if your mind's wandered, that's okay. Start to become aware of your thoughts, your feelings, and your sensations. And each time you notice a thought, feeling, or sensation, imagine placing it on a leaf and letting it float down the stream. And do this regardless of whether the thoughts, feelings, or sensations are positive or negative, pleasurable or painful. Even if they're the most wonderful thoughts, place them on a leaf and let them float by. And if your thoughts stop, just watch the stream. Sooner or later, your thoughts should start up again. Allow the stream to flow at its own rate. Notice any urges to speed up or slow down the stream, and let these be on leaves as well. Let the stream flow however it will. And if you have thoughts, feelings, or sensations about doing this exercise, place these on leaves as well. And if a leaf gets stuck or won't go away, let it hang around. For a little while, all you're doing is observing this experience. There's no need to force the leaf down the stream. If you find yourself getting caught up with a thought or a feeling such as boredom or impatience, just acknowledge it say to yourself, here's a feeling of boredom, or here's a feeling of impatience. And place those words on a leaf and let them float on by. We're just observing each experience and placing it on a leaf on the stream. And it's normal and natural to lose track of this exercise, and it will keep happening. When you notice yourself losing track, just bring yourself back to watching the leaves on the stream. Imagine feeling the ground beneath you again and the sounds of the river flowing past. Just notice the stream. Place any thoughts, feelings, or sensations on the leaves and let them gently float downstream. And as you notice and watch the stream, become aware that every time you place a thought, a feeling, or a sensation on the leaves, it's getting easier and easier to let them go. It's becoming easier and easier to observe those things rising up in your mind and in your body and releasing them to gently float down the stream. And each time you do this exercise, whether listening to my voice or in your own mind as you settle your own mind and experience, it gets easier and easier and you become better and better, finding that this skill of observing your thoughts, feelings and sensations starts to become present in all parts of your life, that it becomes easier and easier to notice your thoughts, to let them go, and to bring your attention back to wherever you choose to place it. Feeling a deep calm and confidence in your own ability to let the stream flow. Allow the image of the stream to dissolve and slowly begin to bring your attention back to your body, noticing how your body feels. Perhaps there's a feeling of ease, of calm. Perhaps your body has been able to settle a little bit more from when you began this practice. Looking for those signs of ease and flow in your body. Allowing your breath to slowly deepen. Breathing in through your nose really slowly and gently. Pausing the breath briefly at the top. And slowly and gently breathing out through the nose, really slowly. And taking 2 more slow, deep breaths just like that. Breathing in, pausing at the top, slowly breathing out. And on your final breath, breathing in and holding, and then sighing out gently through the mouth as if the air was dribbling out of your mouth, just like water dribbling out of a stream. Letting everything go, feeling deeply relaxed, knowing that you can return to the stream and allow things to be carried away anytime that you need. feeling some energy return to your body if it's time for you to feel energized, or allowing your body to flow deeper and more fully into relaxation if it's time for you to rest. Trusting that you know exactly what your body will need in this moment, and allowing yourself to take a few extra moments here, as long as you need. Now, gently opening your eyes, noticing what you can see, noticing what you can hear in the room around you. And just gently push your feet into the floor. Feel the activation of your muscles through your legs, having a stretch of your arms, coming back into the space, bringing your arms above your head, stretching them really tall. Bring some energy up into the crown of your head before just sighing out and bringing your arms back down.